So let's talk about one of the biggest debates in Bitcoin mining. Digital miners versus real physical hardware miners. Now, if you're new to this concept, digital miners are basically NFT-based miners that represent real hash rate connected to actual Bitcoin mining equipment. So instead of buying and running your own noisy machines at home, you own a digital miner that's already operating in a professional data center. And one of the best platforms that is offering this system is GoMining. This is a platform where you can buy these digital miners, you can earn daily Bitcoin rewards, and you can manage everything straight from your phone. The link to GoMining will be in the description, including my personal referral link. So make sure that you use that when you register, because when you do that, you will get 5% extra terahash for free, which means more mining power and higher Bitcoin rewards from the start. You can also scan the QR code on the screen, or you can tap the info card on the top right corner to get started and claim that 5% bonus. For example, let's look at the electricity cost. In the United States, electricity averages around 17 cents per kilowatt hour. Running a 100 terahash miner that consumes about 3,000 watts would cost you roughly $12 a day in electricity alone. Now, with the current Bitcoin difficulty and price, the same miner would generate around $17 in Bitcoin every single day. So you're spending $12 just to make $17. So your net profit is around $5 a day, and that is before adding any maintenance or cooling cost. In India, electricity is cheaper at around 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So the same miner would cost around $7 to $8 a day to run. The daily Bitcoin output is still around $17. So you will be left with roughly $9 to $10 of profit every day. But here's the catch. India is a very hot region for most of the year. For about 8 to 9 months, temperatures stay high, which means you will need powerful cooling systems running almost all the time, which means more electricity. That means more power consumption, more expenses, and more wear and tear on your equipment. And while Bitcoin mining is legal in India, the government taxes all crypto gains at flat 30%. So even if you manage to make a profit, a big chunk of it goes straight to taxes. And in Germany, electricity prices are among the highest in the world, around 40 cents per kilowatt hour. That means the same miner would cost nearly $28 a day to power, while you will still be earning about $17 worth of Bitcoin. So in that case, you are technically mining at a loss every single day. Now, we just compared the electricity prices in places like the US, India, and Germany, but that is only part of the picture. There's a lot of countries where Bitcoin mining isn't even a realistic option. Either they don't have access to proper mining rigs, or the electricity is just way too expensive to make it profitable. And even in countries where you can set up the equipment, the weather can make things worse, like in regions that stay hot most of the year. So you end up spending even more on cooling systems just to keep the machines running. So at the end of the day, it's either too costly or too complicated. And that's why many people simply can't mine Bitcoin at all. But this is exactly where GoMining's digital miners completely changed the game. They let anyone, anywhere in the world, benefit from Bitcoin mining, even in countries where physical mining would never be profitable. All you need is your phone, and you can start earning daily Bitcoin rewards without worrying about electricity, heat, or hardware. Now, when you compare all of that to GoMining's digital miners, it's a completely different story. You don't have to worry about electricity bills. You don't have to worry about maintenance or cooling. You simply buy your digital miners and it starts generating Bitcoin automatically. Everything is hosted in GoMining's professional data centers, and your rewards are directly linked to your miner's efficiency and hash rate. The other big advantage is longevity. Real mining machines lose value quickly because new models come out all the time, which makes older hardware less profitable. But digital miners don't age the same way. On GoMining, you can upgrade your miner's efficiency whenever you want, which actually increases its earning power instead of reducing it. And since these miners are NFTs, you can sell them anytime on GoMining's built-in marketplace, which is unlike physical machines that gets outdated and it's hard to sell. And if you want to make it even more fun, GoMining has gamified the whole process. There's a solo mode for those who want full control and a game mode that gives you bonuses and discounts using their GoMining token. You can upgrade your farm level, you can improve your miner's efficiency, you can even lower your service fees to boost your daily rewards. It's basically turning Bitcoin mining into a strategy game, but with real Bitcoin earnings. So, whether you are in US, India, or Germany, or anywhere else where electricity costs are unpredictable, GoMining gives you a smarter and more accessible way to mine Bitcoin without ever touching a real mining rig. You can literally do everything from your phone. You can monitor your earnings, you can upgrade your miner, and you can withdraw your Bitcoin anytime. If you want to get started, just head over to gomining.com. The link will be in the description. And like I said before, don't forget to use my personal referral link when signing up. You can scan the QR code on the screen. They'll give you 5% extra terahash completely free, which means your miner starts stronger and earns more Bitcoin from day one. And in the next part of this video, I'll show you step by step how you can sign up on GoMining, how you can buy your first digital miner, and use their built-in calculator to estimate your daily Bitcoin rewards. So let's check that out. Okay, so here's how you can get started, how you can sign up, and how you can get your first miner. First of all, you're going to open up the website. Make sure that you use my referral link, which will be in the description, or you can scan the QR code. So simply come to the browser, copy paste the address, or again, scan the QR code. And once you see this page, you are going to click on sign up. Now from this page, you are going to choose how you want to sign up, whether you want to use your email address, your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account, or you can use your wallet to sign up. It is really your preference. I'm going to go ahead and use an email, and then we're going to continue. So just put in your email and click on continue. Now, once you enter your email, it will send a verification code to that email. Copy that code, paste it here, and click on continue. Once that is done, you're going to put in a password that you want to keep for your account, and then re-enter that password to confirm it, and then click on create account. Now once you're in, it will ask you to select your country. So choose your own country from this list and click on continue. Now once that is done, you are in. Now I'm going to go over to the dashboard, and you get the option to create miner. This is where we're going to start. So click on create miner, and it's going to ask us how much terahash do we need to select. So you can start as little as almost $24. So you get 1 terahash and you get this amount of Bitcoin per day, and the ROI is at 34.38%. Or you can move ahead towards the list and the price increases along with the terahash. So the power increases, you get more Bitcoin rewards, and you can also see that the ROI is also increasing. You can also do this in a monthly setting. So if you want to go for it, this is the segment for it. For the time being, for the demonstration, I'm going to go over with 1 time. So essentially, I'll just purchase this, and every single day it is going to generate this amount of Bitcoin for me. So I'm going to go ahead with 4.26 terahash, which is going to cost almost $100. When you have that selected, you make sure that you see this right here, the referral bonus, because this is how I can get 5% extra, 5% extra bonus. And this is the total amount that is going to cost me. So I'm going to proceed payment, and you can select the option, the payment method that you want to go for. I'm going to go with USDT. So I can use my wallet and I can purchase it directly. So once I have that selected, this is the amount that is going to cost me. If you use card, it's going to be an extra amount, I think, for the on-ramping. But since I'm using USDT, so it's pretty straightforward. Click on proceed to payment. Now from here, we're going to select the network. I'm going to go ahead with ERC20. Now this is where I need to send. This is the address where I need to send 99.99 USDT, or I can also pay with Wallet Connect. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to do this manually. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to open up my MetaMask and I'm going to send 99.99 USDT to this address. So make sure that you have the Ethereum network selected. I have sufficient amount in this. So I'm going to select this, click on send. I'm going to put in the address. And this is where I'm going to select the amount. So it's 99.99. And I'm sending this amount to this address. Make sure that you have everything confirmed. It's ERC20, so that's also correct. Click on continue and click on confirm. It says your transaction was submitted. So very shortly, I think it's going to get confirmed. As you can see, it says confirmed transaction. I can also view it on Etherscan. So it should detect this automatically. It says waiting for payment, but pretty soon is going to detect that I have sent the payment. It says the address is unique for each transaction. Don't use it twice. If I'm using Ethereum network, I made sure that I have enough Ethereum to cover the gas fees. If you're using another network, make sure that you have the relevant currency to pay for the gas. You can also go with the card. So we have a lot of options to go with. And once I verified, as you can see, it says you have created a miner. So I'm going to view the miner, and you can see right here, the power is 4.47 terahash, efficiency about 20 watts per terahash. You can also go with 15, but since it's GoMining, so I have option to upgrade. I can change the statistics. So there's option for me to upgrade and go from here, and I can set up my own farm. And like I explained in the video, and I'm going to explain it further, there are different, different game modes, different ways through which we can get a discount. Because I'm going to show you guys the calculator, and I'll show you guys how important it is to get these discounts to maximize your returns. So right now I have almost 2 miners. One is given to me as, for trial, which you are also going to get. So it is going to be for the trial purpose, for you guys to sign up to get started with something. And you can also create your own miner just the same way as I did. And you can see your rewards accumulate right here. You can also check the power, the efficiency, the computing power, and I'm going to see the transactions right here. Now, coming to the calculator. So open up the official site, and when you come to the bottom of it, this is where you're going to see this calculator, which will help us calculate how much we can earn. So we have 2 sliders. If you move the terahash, of course, it increases the pricing. So the one that I bought was of 4.47. So it's slightly higher than 4, and it costs about $100, which is just for the demonstration purpose. If you actually want to make money from it, you have to go with the higher one, so you actually make more profit. And I'll show you guys other ways through which you can increase the amount of profit. So for instance, let's go with 96. I think this is a reasonable one. Now with 96 terahash, $2,084 is going to cost for this miner. So you're investing almost $2,000. You're getting a 96 terahash miner with 20 watts per terahash efficiency, and we're keeping the expected price of Bitcoin at about $110,000, which is the price that we have currently. So we get $4.52 daily, and per month we make $135. Now this is before subtracting the maintenance cost. Of course, they charge the maintenance cost, which otherwise we will have to pay, and in some cases that maintenance cost sometimes is much more that it eats up our profit. But in this case, it's not going to eat up our profit. We will make they will make sure that we do make profit, but they also charge the maintenance cost. So the annual payback in BTC currently with these settings is almost 26%. So essentially, whichever that you invest, if it's $2,084, you're going to get 20, almost 26% of this $2,084 back in the first year. And this is without any discounts and without anything else. If you go with the discounts, which as you can see, you get 20% discount with the GoMining token. If you get into more details, it says you can save up to 20% on miner maintenance and earn more net rewards by using GoMining tokens. So when you have that selected, as you can see, the annual payback just increased from 6% to 31.12%. And there is another option through which you can increase 3%. And we're not talking about the games yet. That is something else. The miner wars, that is something else. You can earn, you can increase your profit even more from those. There is a service button, which if you open up the dashboard, this is where if we go to the mining farm, this is where you can see that I have the trial version, which currently I have not made active yet, but I'm going to do that right now for you guys to see. So click on this miner and click on activate miner. Whenever you sign up, this is something that you are going to see, and we get 16 terahash power. But again, this is for trial. It says activate your bonus miner to unlock task. Every task that you complete helps it mine Bitcoin longer. And once it is activated, you get a list of all these tasks that you can perform, and you can move on to the next level to get more tasks. The more tasks you perform, this miner, it lasts longer. So in the start, I think you're going to get this for trial for 1 day. As you perform the task, you get it for more and more. Since I have already performed this in a different account, so it's not giving me in this one, just so people don't abuse this. But when you sign up, you will get this option. And you see this service button in your mining farm, that is right here. Currently it says 1.32 discount. If I click on the service button, this is all you have to do. Just come over here, click on the service, and you can see the discount increased from 1.3% to 1.63%. And if you come back to the next day, you click on it, you get 0.3% more discount. So in 10 days, you get 3% discount. So in this way, if you come to 10 consecutive days, you get 3% discount for just opening up the dashboard, for just clicking the service button. So you get 20% discount by using the GoMining token. You get 3% discount for coming in every day and clicking on this service button. And this is before you even join the miner wars or play the games. If you start playing those, you increase it even more. So in reality, you don't have the option. You have to pay for the maintenance cost. You will not get any compensation. You will not get any discount. But in this, you do pay maintenance cost. But if you use their GoMining token, if you use the service button, if you perform task, if you join the mining game, the game mode, you get even more. You get more and more discounts on the maintenance. That means more and more profit for you. And you also have the referral program, which I'm personally using. So make sure that you use my link to register, because you will get 5% extra terahash. And when you use your referral code, you further invite people, you will also benefit. You will also get more profit, more discounts. So as you can see, we have the leaderboard, the launchpad, the GoMining, and we also have the marketplace where we can, sell our miners, or we can buy other miners. So I think this is how it goes. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Now let's go forward with the rest of the video.